y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Delisa. Hope you like me enough in the best language mails here in this kind of video. But y'all remember I was like, my old supporter, y'all know I was like, I'm not buying no more cars, you know, till I get my Jeep or whatever, because I want to get my Jeep. Damn, they must get us bad. Like, I just came out here. Anyways, y'all was like, okay, hold on, let me kill this shit, because anyways, you remember I was like, oh, I'm not buying no more cars because till I get my Jeep, blah blah blah. But I need another spare car, and I know you're probably like, why? But I wasn't gonna do this video because I be seeing like so many people be getting bashed because they get like, I mean, my blessing is my blessing, your blessing, your blessing. So, but this is not here to brag. I'm not a bragger at all. This is an older car, so I don't see, you know, anybody getting mad about it. Like, you know, I don't know. You just got some jealous people out here in this world. But anyways, I'm going to I don't know if y'all can see my car in the back and my other car. But I'm about to park my Challenger because I don't want to run the miles. But anyways, yeah, I got this a few weeks ago because I wanted something else to drive to work instead of putting all the miles on that black car. But anyways, enough talking. Let me go ahead and get into it. But I'm not gonna be decorating this car like the other car because, like I said, this is a spare car. So if you're looking for the bling out everything, you came to the wrong channel, baby. I ain't doing that yet. But anyways, I did get some stuff that I will use. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I got a pack of masks, which if y'all call, I don't know if did I post that video? I don't know if I posted that, but I got this from AliExpress. It's a pack of 30, and I think I paid like $4 or $5 for these. But I gotta get another one, or else I take it out the other car. My the tissue sometimes I hold up, but I don't put the tissue in. I just put the mask in it. Then I know this is not legal, don't be mean, but I need this shit when I be like going out, like I gotta go far and I gotta go push it. But this is a car speed testing system. I'm not gonna have it on all the time. I'm not just trying to be lurking. I just need it. So yeah, the police is out my way. So it looks just like this. And I don't be speeding all the time. That's why I don't need it. I just, when I be going out of town, because I don't like the speed limit, like I don't know they speed, so I just keep an eye on my shit. Then I got this air freshener, y'all. It's a big ass, but hold on. That shit. Get out. Gosh. I'm at my mama's house. She got a lot of food over here, y'all. But I got this little can air freshener, and I have the cherry kind, but this one is the Breeze. And these come from Dollar Tree, and y'all, these must last a long time. I do recommend these. And then I got this little armrest cover to go on it. I haven't opened this package yet, so I just received this package the other day. Inside, we have a little pillow. I got this pillow that go on my passenger seat because Mari, he's the worst riding partner ever, because every time we get somewhere, like we get in the car and start riding, this boy go to sleep. Like the worst. Like if you looking for somebody to stay up with you, like he definitely could not ride with me with us to go to Florida because he'll be asleep. But this is what it looks like. So it's gonna be cute or whatever. And I also got this front and rear car charger. So, you know, every time you in the car with somebody, they're like, man, you charging your phone, can I use the charger now? Like, can I use it? And I be like, hell no, because I'm charging mine. But we ain't gotta go through that no more, especially when my cousin and stuff in the car. So you can, two people, like 2 ports right here, and then it also has 2 ports right here. So 4 people can charge 4 devices at one time. That's dope. And then it also has a clip, so the cord stretches to the back, so they can clip it to the back seat. So I really like that. But I got these little clamps, the little clip things that go in your seat, because my bag is always getting through on the floor. So that's how it goes. And I just throw my bag on it, but I'll put the other one on later. And I'm gonna put it on that seat. So I'm gonna got 2 of those clips right here. So I won't have cords and stuff hanging like I have right now, because it's just everywhere scattered. And I just put this on the dashboard, and then have a little piece of tape or sticky tape, whatever it is, I guess. Yeah, you just have like a pills and stick. And now you just put the cords in between it, so it won't be everywhere. Except that I'm taking out now, came from AliExpress. And I needed one. I should have got 4 of these. I hope and pray I never have to use it, but for like to cut your seat belt, break your window, you might need like a hammer, you know, beat on something. Like this one this would be, I just feel like you really need it in all your vehicles. And I should have bought 4 of them for my other cars. Or 3 more for the other cars. So yeah. But I pray I have to never use that. Dang, these mosquitoes turn me up. The last thing I bought was this seat cover organizer. I got it in color black. You got 2 cup holders. You can put a tissue box in the middle, and you can put whatever you want in there. And it's also a little storage down here. You can put your paperwork or stuff for the kids, whatever. And it attached to your seat. So you got little buttons at the buckles at the bottom. And this is like a this material, like a, is it felt material? So yeah, let's go ahead and decorate this. Yeah, how about these things right here is not sticking. Like, let me try another one. I want my money back. I want my money back. Try another one. These hoes ain't sticking. Nah, yeah, but this is just a radar protector, y'all. So hit the menu. This is for highway.
City mode.
That's for city mode.
Highway mode.
So you can change it up and down. The volume up and down. That's not a button. It's just for decoration. But that's what it looks like. But you know, if it's an accident ahead, whatever, it'll detect everything and let me know what's going on ahead of me. So yeah, and I ordered this from eBay, so they have different colors. So I'm gonna play with that a little bit longer, a little bit more. Just have to put up. That's what it sounds like when you.
Please fasten your safety belt. Highway mode.
Tell me to put my seatbelt on because I don't have it on. But it's like I gotta do some more stuff to this car. It's been sitting up because the person I bought it from, he kept it up, but it was just sitting there. He won't really drive it, so it do need to get a tune-up and an oil change. So I'm gonna get all that done. But you know, that's not gonna be much. I'm not gonna put the mask up right now because I don't have the thing, and I'm not driving it right now. Y'all, I do not recommend these unless you find some better ones, because these hoes, they don't stick. And I'm gonna tell, I got them from AliExpress. I'm gonna tell them about it too. It ain't working. But let me show y'all the pillow. The pillow Karen going by her nosy ass. But yeah, this is the pillow. You can set it up higher, but I know more. And then I had the little clips on the back. I should have brought my pocketbook out here, but you know. I don't know if y'all can see that real good because ain't no sunlight out here. Oh, let me attach the thing in the back. Hold on. Y'all see me? Oh, put this shit on now. I'm not paying attention. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. This is what it looks like. It stick out more once I get the tissue in there and stuff like that. But right now I'm not driving this car, so I'm not putting extra stuff in here. Here's the hooks. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you my keys. I also bought a little cover. Look on my keys. It has, y'all, if y'all watched when I did the unboxing, because the company sent me this. Hello. And it had the Stitch. I don't know why I said both my names. But this is the thing. But it had a cover on top, but it broke. And this is just my earbuds for my phone. I thought I had the blue ones, but this is the key. The cover. What you doing? I don't have Yoda. That's mom cranking up. Oh. How about this the wrong thing? Oh, it's not. I gotta take this off, y'all. Yeah, y'all heard that in the background? That's my stepdad. He come over and be nosy. Y'all wanna say to him? Y'all be missing him. I don't come around because we was sick.
Get out so I can go.
Y'all see how he talking to me? I thought this is my car. Can you put that on?
No. You said jump.
But yeah, he's about to go somewhere. I might get back in Venom. He's still Venom for right now. I don't know if we want to still paint him back black or not.
What's going on?
Okay, that's what it looks like, guys. But yeah, he's about to go. He rushing me.
Yeah, I want you to get on that way so I can get back.
I don't know where he think he's going. But anyways, y'all, that was the oh yeah, this knows that was gone. Yeah, he gotta go check on his truck. But anyways, that was it, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed it.